In this Cakewalk tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the free DAW Cakewalk by Bandlab. This is part 1 in my Cakewalk for Beginners series. I'm Zane. Welcome to Simple Green Tech, where it's my goal to help you conquer the tech so you can unleash your creativity. And I do this by providing easy to follow audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews. Now, if you want even more Cakewalk tutorials or music production for beginners videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you tried to install Cakewalk by Bandlab before and you ran into some issues, maybe it just wouldn't install on your computer, I have a potential fix for that near the end of this video. But if you're just installing it for the first time, what you want to do first is head over to the Bandlab website and download the Bandlab Assistant software. This is what you'll use to install Cakewalk. And then once you're on the Bandlab website, go to Apps, Desktop Assistant, and then you want to download the Bandlab Assistant. Once it's downloaded, just double click on it to install it. And once it's installed and running, you'll need to create a Bandlab account if you don't already have one. Now, once that's out of the way and you have the Bandlab Assistant running and it looks something like this, head over to the Apps section here. Then go down to the Cakewalk section, and I've already got it installed. If you don't have it installed, it would say install here. So you want to click on that. And I'll click on it now. It looks like I have an update anyway. And when you're installing, you're going to have some options. You can choose to install the add-ons. And what the add-ons are the instruments and plugins that Cakewalk has included with them. If you want those instruments and plugins, choose to install the add-ons. If you don't want them, then you can just avoid installing the add-ons. The installation process can take a long time, so be patient with it. Now, if you run into some issues here, maybe you tried to install Cakewalk by Bandlab before and it kept hanging up, it wouldn't finish the install. This is what you should try. So you might want to close down the Bandlab Assistant software, and this time before launching it, you want to right-click on it and run as administrator. And now try doing the installation again, and this time it should work. It can take time, so you got to be patient with it, as it doesn't really give you an idea of how much time it's going to take to actually install it. So just be patient with it, let it go. If it takes over 2 hours, you probably need to restart the installation process. Be sure to try running the Bandlab Assistant software as an administrator. That should help you. And once you have it installed, you can just open it and you don't need to have the Bandlab Assistant software to run it. I can just close this down now and I'll type in Cakewalk here. And I can just run it like a regular program now. I don't need to worry about that Cakewalk by Bandlab software. And now you're ready to start your journey into music production on this great free DAW software. If you want even more Cakewalk tutorials, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching for Simple Green Tech. I'm Zane, keep creating, and we'll talk soon.